how to refund items on Roblox. So if you want to refund items on Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just open up your Roblox. If you don't have the application, you can also go with your browser. So open up your browser. On your browser, go with roblox.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Go with login, which will be in the top right. After logging into your Roblox, you need to go with your settings option. Go with the gear shaped option, which will be in the top. And then you need to tap on help and safety. Now tap on help center and you'll be redirected to this kind of page. Now here you need to go with search and you need to search for refund. After searching, you'll find all of the other options right here. So you need to click on unauthorized charges and refund requests, which will be in the first. Now you need to scroll down and go with no under was this article helpful? And then you will have an option of contact support, which is right here. Need more help, contact support. Here you need to tap on that and it will take you to the contact us section. Now here you need to enter the username of your account and then your first name, your email address, and then again confirm your email address and what device you're using. Like I'll just simply go with Android and then go with the type of help category. Under that, you need to go over to the billings and payment section, and under subcategory, I'll go with the first option, which is I want to report an unauthorized charge or request a refund. And under the describe your issue, you need to describe your issue. Like you want to refund items on your Roblox. Or, for example, my child has bought Roblox without my permission. So could this be refunded to the original payment method, please? And then thank you. Go with continue, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.